Would you like to learn what is an AI architect and what does an AI architect do? If so, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Michael Gibbs, and I'm the founder and CEO of Go Cloud Careers. And I've been all forms of a technology architect for the last 25 plus years, and I've spent more than 2 decades helping people just like you get your first architect job and build your IT architecture careers. In this video, we're going to cover what is an AI architect and what does an AI architect do. Now, when we refer to an AI architect or an artificial intelligence architect, we're referring also to generative AI architecture and generative AI architects. In the context of this video, they are one of the same. So, what is an AI architect? What does that artificial intelligence architect actually do? So, we'll begin with the role itself. We are hybrid executives and technology professionals. We are not engineers. This is not a hands-on role. The AI architect role is a strategic consulting role. And our role is to be the point person to align the organization's people, processes, and technology in order to maximize our clients' organizational performance. So again, the generative AI architect is not a hands-on role. We are not engineers. We don't touch the technology. Engineers take our blueprints that we design and build out the generative AI systems. But for us as AI architects, this is a hands-off position. This is an executive consulting position. And the good news is we receive executive level compensation. So if the generative AI architect is not building the systems, what do we do? Well, the AI architect will work with the executive team of the client to find the vision for the client's business. The AI architect will then learn how the organization operates. And we're referring to the business processes. For example, how's the project manufactured? How is the product sold? How is the product serviced? The processes to run the business. Now, when we know the organization's vision, we can work with the organization to help redesign those business processes. And we work with the executive team to reestablish the business processes or how we want the business to operate in the future, because technology will have a big impact on how the business can operate. After we have the optimal business processes, we then work with the organization's technology teams. And we look into whatever AI they may have in place, whatever kind of networking they have in place, whatever their data center or data centers look like, whatever the cloud systems look like. We will evaluate their applications, their security, and even their voice and video systems. Because as the architect, it's the big picture, and we need to understand how the people, the processes, and the technologies will actually work together. Now, as AI architects, we're going to lead a team of technology professionals to design the new technology architecture that's going to support those new business processes. And we're going to need a team because it's not going to be possible for any one or any two people to truly be able to design a system of the magnitude we typically do in the enterprise environment. This means we AI architects will need network architects, security architects, cloud architects, IAM architects, big data architects, data scientists, and a whole host of other technology professionals to truly design a strategy that's going to optimize our clients' business performance. Now, after we build the team, we're going to have to also create a statement of work of all the things that are necessary, including timelines, and then we've got to go lead the organization's key stakeholders. Stakeholders are people that have a stake in the outcome of the business, and stakeholders can have a big impact on whether the architecture will be adopted successfully or whether it will fail. So we're going to do a whole lot of stakeholder management. We will additionally create a strategy around changes when they need to occur, some good change management processes, because we need to make sure that we can assess every change and the impact it will have on the greater organization. And then we will create a long-term technology strategy that will lead the business to success with AI. So what's this all boiled down to? Well, as AI architects, we're going to facilitate a lot of meetings, just like any other strategy consultant. We will deliver a lot of presentations, just like any other strategy consultant. We will go on sales calls to help sell our architectures to the client, because if we can't sell it to the client, they're beautiful pictures, but they don't go anywhere. We will be leading large teams of technology professionals. We will be entertaining clients and developing relationships with clients. We will be creating thought leadership documents, often referred to as white papers. We will be managing stakeholders and vendors. You want to know the best part? We don't have to get our hands dirty. We don't have to code. We don't have to configure. We don't have to troubleshoot systems when they break. We get paid for our guidance and our expertise. So now you know what is an AI architect and what does an AI architect do. If you desire to become an AI architect, we have a tremendous number of free resources in the description of this video to help you get to your goals. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified of new videos to help you in your cloud architect career, AI architect career, enterprise architect career, or architecture career in general. This is Michael Gibbs. I'm signing off for now. I look forward to seeing you in either a free webinar or another video coming soon. Take care.